This is your man in the streets, Eric Fribush, broadcasting live. Blizzard conditions, storm of 2010, record-breaking storm. We just trucked up a street. There's about at least 10 inches of snow on the street right now. As you can see, look at these cars. This car right here, I mean, completely covered with snow. Drifts hitting this car. I don't know how they're going to shovel out. There's really nowhere to put this snow. Look at these big snow mounds along the sides of the streets. The trunks of the trees are getting completely covered. All you're going to be able to see is branches soon. This is absolutely one mammoth storm that we're experiencing right now. All I can say is stay in the house. Don't come out. The winds are just brutal out here. We're getting wind gusts of at least 40 miles per hour. The streets are just horrendous. There's nowhere to go. Stay in. Drink some hot chocolate. Stay warm. Don't even come out and shovel today. It's not even worth it. It's your man in the streets bringing you live updates. Eric Fribush. Keep checking back.